That shit's hot. Hot. I'm a dreadhead. What's good? How many followers am I gonna get off this live? Probably a lot. Abs check. I don't have any of that. I'm gonna just do one piece of bread for my, PYT, BLT. Hello, lovely, you're in love with me. No, the fuck I'm not. Play some music. I will in a second. My mom's using the computer. You're such a pretty girl. You'll fall in love with me. No, I won't. I promise you I won't. I don't fall in love with anybody.
Having so just making this up.
Was not happy when I did that. Not happy. Alright, I'm about to make this BBL Drizzy. BBL Drizzy.
I was like, what was that? I'm just over here making noises.